1831, the Beagle set sail. A young naturalist carries his notebooks. He doesn't know yet, he's about to change the world. 22 years old on a ship to the sea. Edinburgh medicine wasn't meant for me. Studied natural theology, learned from Henslow, but the fossils in South America started to show. Giant armadillos buried in the ground, species on the Galapagos, varieties I found. Mockingbirds and islands, each one unique, finches with different beaks. What could this mean? 1836, the Beagle's coming home. Species might not be fixed, I wrote it in my notes alone. Richard Owen confirmed what I suspected was true. Extinct species allied to the living, a pattern breaking through. I drew a tree, branching evolution, July 1837, setting knowledge free. One species changes to another, that's the key. Natural selection is the force we couldn't see. From 1897 to 1889, 22 years refining every single line. Struggle for survival, only the adept to survive. This is how life evolves, this is how we're alive. September 1838, reading Malthus late at night. Populations breed beyond the means, struggling for their life. Like 100,000 wedges pushing through. Well-adapted variation, nature's chosen few. I had my theory by December of that year, but I held it back, the world wasn't ready to hear. 1842, a pencil sketch, 35 pages long. 1844, an essay, but I kept moving on. 8 years studying barnacles, becoming the expert. Homologies and variations, every detail I assert. Pigeon breeding, plant dispersal, experiments and tests. Building evidence slowly, only giving my best. November 1844, message just came out. Anonymous transmutation causing public doubt. I reviewed my arguments, made them airtight. While the mainstream rejected, I continued my fight. I think the pattern's clear. Branching, common descent, natural selection's here. Adaptation and divergence, year after year. From coral reefs to pigeons, the truth would appear. From 1837 to 1889, 22 years refining every single line. Survival of the fittest, Herbert Spencer's phrase, but it's my mechanism that would change our days. 편지가 도착했어, 우리가 보낸 내 이론과 똑같아. Eating 18 and you was Japaning, 이제 출판해야 해. Lyle and Hooker arranged the joint read. July 1st, Linney and Society, both our papers feed. I started my abstract on July 20th by the sea. Sandown holiday, writing from memory. Expected a short paper, but it grew and grew. By October, I knew it would be a volume through. Murray agreed to publish, didn't even see. Two-thirds profits, finally I'd be free. November 24, 50, 18 and 15 shillings, 1, 2, 50 copies on the line. Sold out immediately at the autumn sale. Origin of species, evolution's holy grail. By means of natural selection, that's the subtitle. On preservation of favored races in the struggle life. Long 6 editions in my lifetime, revisions every time. Answering objections, making arguments, refine. From St. Jago shores to England's land. Fossils and finches, barnacles and bees. 22 years of work brought to its knees. The foundation of evolutionary biology, a branching tree of life, no more mythology. Populations evolve through generations, they climb.